Okay, now welcome. Any questions that or not? Sorry. So let's judge. Let's get your judgment. Let's get some statistics. So please vote in the Zoom chat. Not all of you, I guess, see the Zoom chat right now. So please click chat on the that is pretty famous Zoom functionality. Click chat and to be able to see and to be able to respond and provide your judgment. Let's say on the scale from 1 to 5. 1, it's miserable, it's useless, it's terrible. And 5, it's perfect. So I don't expect 5s a lot. I hope it would not be 1, a lot of 1s, but I really, I'm requesting for honest judgment. I've got the first 4 with the question mark. That is perfect to me. So please, everyone, I'd like to see, we have like 14, 12 students at this point. So please judge. I appreciate any judgment, including ones, including terrible. So please do honest assessment, the first assessment. How is 3? Okay, 4/5, 4, 3, 4. So all of you, 4.9. Decimals are welcome as well. So decimals, it's a good point. So you can say 4/5, or you can say 3.5. It's good, all good. So everyone, I need everyone to provide your opinion. So far we've got 4 with a question mark. I guess it might mean 4.5 or whatever. 4, 3, 4, 4/5, 3, 4.9, 4, 3.5, 4, 3. 10 opinions. A few people did not provide their opinions, but 3.8. Okay, it sounds pretty good to me. It's pretty good to me. As mentioned, your instructor built from scratch those AI tools based on free models. And if they can compete with the commercial ones, even on level like 3, 4, that sounds pretty good to me. So it might be useful. Now, next point. I would really appreciate if you would report any issues to be improved or any questions that AI was not able to answer to the virtual classroom. That would be useful for your instructor. That would be my homework. I would use this to work on improvements, on further improvements. Hey, when this meeting ends, it says from 9 to 10. Yes. So if you are busy, you are free to go. Not a problem. The meetings are not even required. So, and it was announced from 9 to 10, but it's not a surprise for your instructor. Yeah, thank you as well for attending the meeting, which is not required. Thanks for helping in creating the recordings. Yes, free to go. But if you are here, as long as you are here, I'm ready to answer your questions. So now, your questions, please. Unmute yourself and go ahead. If you don't have any questions, you're free to go. Thanks for attending again. And the main meeting is done, all the questions that were not asked and were not answered. So use AI Navigator, use how, what, where reference table, and find the answers yourself by clicking and exploring. Okay, that's the point. That's an important point. Otherwise, again, your questions now. Please unmute yourself and go ahead. No questions? I'm saying goodbye. Thanks for attending. If you're here, then ask questions.
So for the questions that the AI Navigator was unable to answer, you want us to post that under the learning area, or?
Yes. So first of all, if AI Navigator is not answer your question instantly, then come up with the following questions. So just like just communicate, perform a conversation, ask questions back and forth, communicate as like you would communicate with a human instructor. Try, and then if for any reason AI was not able to answer, then go to the virtual classroom right here. It's again, it's appears under the calendar regardless of which class you are taking. And then, that's instructor's account, and student mode doesn't want to work today consistently. It works here because it's under our LMS. So then you need to attend to read this and follow these suggestions, instructions anyway. And at the bottom of this, you can see click reply on the top right and go ahead and post whatever you want to post. Here's the button, click reply and post and report any issue with the AI. By the way, one more functionality, we have a lot of them which are not common for any other learning management system. That's avatar. You may, if you wanna 200% freedom in communication, you are allowed to take a pen name. So imagine a name, avatar name, so that you will appear on the discussion board under this name, any name. Instructor will see your real name anyway, but your peers, the students, will not see your real name. So then it's helpful for some people, and it's completely reasonable. So take avatar name and then be brave to make mistakes. Do not hesitate to make mistakes, guesses, and be creative without borders, without limits, under avatar name. Okay, and then post your report. It will be appreciated. So I asked such and such question, and AI answered something like this, which seems to be unreasonable or appears a hallucination, whatever. And that would be helpful. That would be helpful. Okay. Next question, please.
How do we know if our participation, like in the virtual classroom, is enough? Because you said we should do it 3 times, and I checked the participation matters, but what if our reply doesn't have enough content? Like, do you judge that?
Yeah, so that's a good question. That's a good question. And this situation constitutes sometimes an issue with some of the students. For example, some of the students they post exclusively thank you messages they thank classmates for smart publications, and that's it. That's all they do. And then, but that's not essential. What is essential? I appreciate you read the instructions. The definition of essential is given here in this document, or you can ask AI tutor, sorry, not tutor, AI navigator, any question related participation as well, and it will explain in short that is essential means not just blah blah blah. It's essential. It's a good thing if I'm a student and I'm polite and it's appreciated. It is appreciated, but it's not graded. It's not essential in terms of content. So what is essential? Well, so if I'm a student and I got stuck with a problem, and then I post a SOS message, like I got stuck with problem number 3 from assignment number whatever. Please help. Period. That's not essential. That's not essential. What would be essential then? I got stuck with that problem, and then here's my attempt in written form, and the system mark is wrong. And then I asked AI tutor, and the tutor explained such and such, but I'm not satisfied, and I'm still confused. Then I went to okay, just a moment. I went for online tutoring, accessible and suggested, if not required, in online class, and communicated with a human tutor, but I'm still not satisfied. I'm still confused. So could you please help me to resolve my confusion? That is essential. What's the point? As a student, I was not able to solve a problem. I posted my struggles and my attempts and my efforts to the forum, and that is considered essential. So I may make 3 mistakes and then post them along with my attempts, and that will satisfy the requirement completely. A lot of students, they go beyond that. So all the problems in the course, they come with the solutions. It's not easy to get confused, you know. It's not easy. If I'm a student and I'm confused on the first attempt, then I can look at the solution. The mistakes are welcome in the system. So I can make a bunch of mistakes, attempts, and still it will not affect my final grade for this assignment. I still can get 100% credit. Then I can use AI tutoring. I can use online human tutoring. Then, most likely, most of the students, they are able to clarify. But if I'm still confused, that is okay also. So just post your confusion along with the attempts and mistakes in written form. That will be satisfactory. That will be essential. Consider essential. That will satisfy the requirement. Many students, they are trying to help classmates. That is really appreciated. That is even more essential. And it's also possible, and that is also useful not only for students who are struggling, but for advanced guys and students too. Because if I can solve a problem for someone, then when you are trying to explain something, that is really eventually, that is when you really understand the problem. When you solve it and it appears green, 100% credit, it seems to be like perfect, but in many cases it's not. It's not yet. It's not. But when you try to explain to someone else the same problem and solve the problem with the data, with numbers that another student get, that is when you advance your understanding as well. So that is also essential, obviously. And those two cases, most common, how to satisfy the requirements and how of publication of the publication of at least three essential publications. There are more of them, like 10, if not 15 ways to participate. They are all under participation matters document right here. Okay, next question, if any. No more questions? So again, thank you for attending not required meeting. Thanks for your help in creating recordings for most of the online, asynchronous, and hybrid students. And I'm saying goodbye. If you still have questions, yeah, goodbye. Welcome to stay and go ahead and ask questions. Otherwise, we're done.